Hello guys, sorry I am lag, but today we're gonna play build and build. My God guys, I forgot. You see it now? I think you know it. Build and hide from brain rats. Oh, let's go here. I don't care if I am just like this, but let's go. Sorry guys, it's so loud. I but guys But guys, you know now my face reveal, so I am just speaking English, but I am in Philippines, okay? Please wait, I am lagging. God, guys. My goodness, what is this? Okay, so now we're here and let's find some blocks. But I don't see any blocks. I think I need to hide, guys, because it's almost night. Let's go hide. But guys, it's night, but tung tung tung. I think tung 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 sahur is somebody awake. I think it's somebody awake. Wait, let's see the others. There's one. Let's go now, guys. They have a really deep sleep, and let's go over here. This, yes, like that. Okay, make it. Let's go up in there. Oh, blocks. I need this one. So many blocks. What is this? Guys, I'm sorry. I am in the phone, okay? Guys, I'm kinda scared of this game. But wait, guys. Let me. This one. This. Then this one too. Let's go up. My goodness, someone knocked out. No. What is this for? I think someone found. We don't really know if Tung can get up. No, don't knock out that last. Wait, are you just me? Oh no. I'm sorry, I can't do it. Okay, let's go. Where are you? Where is someone? I can find someone. Oh no, oh no. Don't die, don't die. Oh my god. Oh no, don't die, don't die. Do not die, don't die, don't die, no! Oh my god, someone died. Guys, I think I'm dead. Because someone is...
Pa. Sipa. Kiss. Si AA na makulit.
Bye.
Kiss muna. Kuya, kiss. Kiss kuya.
Office.
Kiss. Kiss kuya.
Kiss.
Ang grade mo yan?
Mag-grade 4.
Grade 4 ka na?
Mm-mm. That's so scary. So we got 36 blocks. This is kinda high. I'm kinda like this game, so I played this one. So we just sighed, but just found this, but someone is upstairs. I'm kind of scared, guys. Please help me. Someone is up here. Wait, I think I'm just one left. Yeah, I am just one left. I'm so scared, guys. If I just put this, let's play a new game, okay? Oh, I meant the next video because I'm kind of scared, guys. It's true, guys. When I don't have any new friends to play, I am leaving because I'm too scared. Someone is calling. Oh, hey, come back. This is disturbing. Okay, first let's stay in here and find something. Oh my god, I didn't see this. I got 15. Oh my god. Let's get in here. Find some good little box. Okay. Kind of scared, guys. I'm not gonna lie. My god. God damn. Is it something new? Guys, I'm kind of scared. Not gonna lie. Okay, God, so now we got 60. Okay, let's go back. First let's grab this all here. Guys, let's stay here so we cannot get, because I'm kinda scared. Guys, I'm not gonna, my god, I did not get in here because I got kinda scared, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 0. Oh my god. Ballerina cappuccino is still. This is still. This is sleeping. Oh yeah. Finally, someone is sleeping. guys. Doing this. Okay. So we got 16. Oh, I mean 70. Okay, let's go find some. Okay, here. Guys, I'm kinda freaking scared of this game. Sorry, guys. This is hard. Okay, okay. Ballerina cappuccino? Seriously? Wait, did I check in here? Guys, did I check in here? Yeah. Here. My god, bro. So hot. Okay, in here.